Hey everyone, this is Daryl from Daily Crypto Trade Signals coming to you live from Vietnam, guys. It's a great time to be alive. So we're going to be talking about SV Bank out there. We're going to be talking about Bitcoin. We're going to be talking about the USDC Depeg out there. So we're going to be talking about that and much more out there, guys. So hopefully the audio is looking good and everything is looking fine and dandy out there, guys. So hopefully things are okay, and let's get into the content without any further delay out there, guys. So hopefully it's a great time to be live, guys. So how is the audio, guys? Give me a thumbs up, give me a comment on the audio. I'd love to hear what you're going to say. So hopefully the audio is good out there, guys. So let's jump into the content, and we got David Ricine, we got Red Rose in the house, we got tons of people. We've only got 15 people right now in the live stream. So guys, don't forget to go and smash the likes and show some love. So how is the sound? The sound is okay. So guys, do go back and watch all my other videos. I would appreciate it. We got Alex in the house. Oh yeah. So once again, a lot of we're seeing that right now there's a little bit of crypto contagion with the banking, SVB bank out there, and things are kind of uncertain out there. We're going to have to wait till Monday to see what actually happens with the banks. So we're going to be diving into that. Also, looks like Shibarium in the house is looking pretty good as well. Looks like the Shibarium beta has gone live, so we're going to be talking about that and much more, guys. So let's dive in. Let's dive into the content, and we got the alien. So if you want the OG to kiss the alien, you know what to do out there. And welcome. We got Chris DeMarco, Travis in the house. We got little Trippy in the house. Woo! Let's go, guys. So do go back, watch all my other videos. I would appreciate it. And remember, absolutely remember out there that none of this is financial advice. This is only for educational purposes only. And when it comes to crypto, you got to do you got to do your own research out there. So that is so important out there. So guys, remember, never ape into any project that is younger than 2 years. That is what I do. And, that helps to avoid any rug pulls out there. So let's jump into content without any further delay. And guys, do consider becoming a member. I would appreciate it. So howdy for everybody that is coming in late right now. We got Chris DeMarco. We got Peter in the house. We got GA6338 in the house. So we got tons of people coming in from all over. Chris DeMarco coming in from, I think he's in Italy right now. So, we're serving up beautiful content to everybody in the world, and much love. So guys, big shout out to our newest and latest subscribers. We got Cash in the house. We got Robert Hawkins. So if you're watching in the live stream, much love. Thank you for being here. We got Ashish. We got Randy. We got Mary Cruz out there, and we got a ton of other people that have joined, guys. So we got Isaac in the house, Rai, and Suman in the house. Welcome, new subscribers. Welcome to the family, and it is a great time to be alive. So keeping on watching out there. Looks like Stan Stubfield got your live at 10:30 p.m. in Alexandria, Virginia. So welcome, Stan. Welcome. Stan the man is in the live stream. So guys, let's take a look at what's going on with the fear and greed out there. So right now, the crypto fear and greed is at 33. It's basically unchanged from yesterday. And we are seeing that there is a lot of fear out there right now with the SVB and also the Depeg of USDC. It's not a good look out there. So let's take a look at the crypto markets right now. Let's give this a minty refresh out there. So hopefully, I'm glad that the audio is good. Yesterday we had some troubles out there. So we are seeing that the total market cap is down 0.04% right now. So yeah, we're just kind of going neutral out there. I'm still concerned about what's going to happen on Monday when banks open up. What's going to happen to SVB? Are we going to see more banking contagion? Is there going to be more problems out there? So we're gonna deep dive into that. It looks like the Ethereum dominance is going up, and the BTC is dominance at 41.8. So right now we're seeing that most of the cryptocurrencies are neutral. Ethereum is up right now a little bit. BNB is up slightly. USDC it's recovering a little bit of its peg now. We're going to be telling you why it's recovering its peg. Cardano is down, Polymatic is up, and the Voyager is also down right now. So it's not a good look out there for Shiba Inu is down, and that's surprising considering that the beta has gone live. We're going to jump into that, talk about more about that in a second. So right now we are seeing that the USDC it's still below its peg out there, and don't forget that USDC Coin, which is part of the Circle organization, they have approximately $3.3 billion worth of cash. That is on the SVB bank out there. Remember, they're using that to peg 1-to-1 out there. So one of the reasons we're seeing that the USDC coin peg is coming back up, we're going to be talking about that in a second as well. So if we take a look at the heat map right now, if this thing's going to load, let's get a heat map in the house. Let me just give them a refresh. David writes in, we got Kevin Foley. Kevin Foley, I lost 60K because of this. Oh, okay. I love you too, Kevin, out there, guys. So David, keep an eye on Kevin. If he gets vitriolic, you know what to do. Chime out, hammer chime out there. So guys, remember, you do you out there. You absolutely do you out there. So BTC is slightly down. Ethereum is up right now. So you know, you can see that the whole crypto market is turning a little bit red now, so we could see more crypto contagion going down, down. DXY right now, DXY is going down. That's what we need to do. That is what we need to do out there. So, you know, but keep in mind that there's some interesting news out there that could be related to the dollar, and some people are saying, look, the dollar could start to go down a lot. And I'm going to tell you what the Saudi is doing. Saudi just made a kind of interesting move when it comes to the dollar, so that is kind of interesting out there. If you take a look at the S&P 500, it is continuing to go down. A lot of this has to do with the banks, the banking situation out there. And you know, we could be seeing something pretty similar to 2008 out there, guys. We need the Dino to take control, guys. We need the Dino to take control, DCA. And remember, even though right now Bitcoin is kind of neutral out there, a lot of people were expecting that Bitcoin would have a bigger collapse out there. And one of the reasons that Bitcoin didn't collapse with the USDC peg was because people didn't know what to do with the USDC. They didn't want to buy Tether because there's still some uncertainty and doubt about Tether out there. But you know what a lot of people did is with this whole SV bank debacle, what they did is they went and bought Bitcoin. So that is one of the reasons we are seeing that Bitcoin did recover and is not tanking like a lot of people have been expecting out there. So I just want to a big shout out to Shane, my moderator, David, my moderator, and Chris DeMarco, my moderators out there, guys. So to the mods out there, if you're watching, keep an eye on the comments, keep the comments clean, and let's not have too much vitriolicness out there. On the weekly, we're heading into our third week. We've got about 20 hours and 21 minutes for the Bitcoin weekly candle, and it's definitely going to be closing red out there. And this week has just been really not so good. You can see that we're down about 10.5% out there. And if you take a look at the predator indicator out there, the predator indicator is indicating yellow or orange depending on your eyesight. And what that means is that there's more caution ahead, guys. Absolutely more caution ahead. Ethereum as well is below our $1,500 level right now, is at $1,486. So $1,500 has become the new line in the sand out there. So that needs to be turned red right now. So it's also not looking good. So you know, where do I see Ethereum trading? I think we're going to be see Ethereum trading between 1,500 and 1,200 out there, guys. So Shane, and we got a new person in there, Daryl. Here we go. We got Kiho Muhatu out there. You know, thank you for the beautiful comment out there. David, can you put that guy in a timeout? I appreciate it, guys. I appreciate it. So much love to everybody out there. So also too, right now we're seeing that a lot of regulators rush to sell SVB assets to make uninsured accounts partly available out there. So it looks like regulators could be selling some of the SVB assets to make uninsured accounts partly available, because right now, as you can see, that, you know, only 2.7% of all of the depositors on SVB are insured, the rest are not. So there's a lot of tech companies out there who are going to have issues paying their payroll right now. So from that perspective, the regulators have to rush in and they've got to liquidate some assets. And one of the reasons that there was a bank run on SVB is because they had taken a lot of their cash and they had bought bonds. And they bought these bonds at 2%. So when they came around to sell these bonds, nobody wanted to buy the bonds at 2% interest, because right now you can buy bonds at 5% interest out there. So that is kind of interesting. That is kind of cool. That is one of the reasons why we're seeing the crypto contagion going, and why we're seeing the bank contagion. So it looks like Coinbase, Binance has suspended USDC conversions as dollar peg wobble. So we are still seeing some uncertainty out there. Listening Night Owl, hi OG, how are you, brother? I appreciate it. I appreciate it. And David, if you're watching, please time out and also ban all of the trolls in the accounts, guys. Aviation, please ban all the trolls out there. Shane, do the same thing, guys. So I appreciate it, guys. So do that right now. Let's get the trolls out of this live stream. I appreciate it. So what else is coming in? Looks like Circle, the company behind USDC, disclosed holding 3.3 billion. As at SVB Bank, nearly 23% of its reserves. So keep in mind that USDC, 23% of their reserves is being held by SVB. And that is why we saw the Depeg. Chris, thank you, brother. I appreciate it. I absolutely appreciate the super chat out there. So that means the OG got to kiss the alien. Kissing the alien out there for Chris out there. Chris Douche, I appreciate it. Much love out there, guys. So, from that perspective, that is why we are seeing that the Depeg is happening. But there's some interesting news that come out from Circle. And Circle has reassured us that they're going to be using their corporate funds to shore up this 3.3 billion that has been lost. So that is why we're seeing that the USDC coin Depeg is getting closer and closer. So we're at 98% out there. So that is good news for all of us out there. So the bank was shut down by California authorities on March 10th after disclosing its efforts to raise extra capital. And it couldn't raise extra capital because they were stuck in bonds and they tried to sell them. Nobody wanted the bonds. Circle said in a recent statement that USDC liquidity operations will resume as normal when banks open on Monday morning in the United States, enabling USDC redemptions at 1-to-1. So we have to keep an eye on that. Hopefully that does happen out there, guys. Also, looks like some interesting news. This is from Greg Price. The biggest reason SVB Bank collapsed is they invested their customer deposits in treasury bonds, which are very sensitive to interest rates, which have been hiked up massively over the last year due to inflation out there, and the largest bank collapse since 2008. So this is true. SVB is the largest bank collapse in 2008. And I think that when Powell wakes up Monday morning, he's going to look at what is going on, and he is going to probably come back being a little bit more dovish than hawkish, because one of the reasons that we see SVB tanked is because they bought bonds, and because of all this hike in interest rates, the bonds have suddenly, interest rate has increased. So SVB is sitting on a whole bunch of bonds at 2%. And nobody wants to buy these bonds back from them at 2% when you can buy bonds at 5%. So that is one of the reasons we are seeing that that there's a bank run, because they don't have cash. And the reason they don't have cash is because they bought bonds. And the most recent bond issues are over 2%. So that is why I think Jeremy Powell, he's going to be sit back, and he's probably going to come in, and I think the rate hikes are probably going to be adjusted to 0.25 basis points out there. So that's what I'm thinking. That is what I'm thinking. Looks like we got Mateo Inc. in the house. Much love out there. I appreciate it. I appreciate it. What else is coming in? Looks like, and because a huge proportion of SIVB clients are tech startups with deposits over 250,000 K, the FTC only insures people under 250,000. So they may not see their money for a very long time. Unless somebody bails out. And we're going to see a lot of these tech companies, they're not going to be able to pay their payroll until something happens out there. So interesting. Good news, looks like Circle to cover any shortfall in USDC reserves, sparking a stablecoin rally. So that is why we're seeing that the peg of USDC is back, gaining traction and getting back up. Remember, it's still not 1-to-1 peg right just yet. We have not seen a 1-to-1 peg just yet. But this is good news, and that is why we're seeing that the USDC is going up, guys. So that's good. That's good news out there. Looks like a Circle says outstanding USDC transactions won't process until Monday. So if you do have any USDC transactions that are not processing, they will be processed on Monday. And hopefully most of the main exchanges like Crypto.com, Binance, and others, and Coinbase, hopefully they will resume the USDC out there. So, I mean, I've got some friends who had a ton of USDC, and they did sell at 95 cents out there yesterday. So that is kind of interesting out there. Guys, smash the likes, show some love for the OG out there. And mods, please keep an eye on what's going on. It looks like this live stream is being truly trolled out there, guys. So interesting. This is kind of interesting out there. Saudi Arabia is considering to accepting yuan instead of dollars for Chinese oil sales. That is kind of a little bit of interesting factoid out there, and some people are predicting that the U.S. dollar could actually collapse. I mean, I had one. I was on a conversation last night, and you know, one of my analysts from Wall Street was saying, "Look, the dollar could be going the same way as Brazil out there." So, guys, just be careful out there, and that is one of the reasons why one of the big narratives out there why more and more people are buying Bitcoin, why more and more people are hodling Bitcoin. And remember, Bitcoin was, you know, came to life out of the 2008 housing crisis, and you know, basically, you know, banks are, you know, over leveraged. We know that. You know, J.P. Morgan, Citibank, all the big Chase, they're all over leveraged. And you know, one of the things that we are concerned about is, you know, what's going to happen to SVB Bank. I believe that SVB Bank is too big to fail, and I believe that the Fed will come in and the Fed will not allow it to fail. And I think that that is probably the most likely situation that we're going to see, because if SVB fails, that is going to send a ripple effect through the whole financial markets, and we could see more and more bank failures out there. So I don't think the Fed's going to allow SVB to fail. I mean, we might get Elon Musk coming in. We might get Elon Musk coming in to buy it out. That would be interesting if he could put some money out there. Also, Bill Ackerman says that there will be a bank runs everywhere on Monday unless the FDIC does a system-wide guarantee, guys. So FIDC has only 124.5 billion on its balance sheet and 100 billion line of credit. U.S. banking system is worth $22 trillion. So basically, if you look at that, FDIC assets only cover 1.26% of all deposits. So that is kind of interesting. Looks like we got AMA Bamba. Hello, OG from Harlem. Welcome, brother. Much love. Thank you for showing up. I appreciate it, guys. And Allison in the house. Aviation Chris, guys. So, you know, Monday, buckle up. Keep your eyes peeled on the news. We could be expecting more stuff. JME 360 in the house, guys. I love it. And guys, if you want the OG to kiss the alien, you know what you got to do. You know what you got to do. Support the channel with super chats. I appreciate it, guys. Show some love out there, guys. What else is coming in? So, you know, a lot of people are saying, get ready for 2025. It will be like just before. Heads up. Something new is coming out there. What could this be this time, guys? So, you know, is something weird and wacky going to happen in 2025? Some people are expecting, some people are contemplating, some people are panicking that something could be happening in 2025. But I know that in 2024, we're definitely going to be getting the Bitcoin halving, and that's going to help, guys. That's going to actually propel Bitcoin to the moon, guys. So interesting stuff out there, absolutely interesting stuff out there. What else is coming in? Can you believe only 2.7% of all deposits of SVB deposits are insured, guys? Only 2.7. So, you know, like many companies who have funds in the SVB are not going to be able to pay their staff. And I said that over and over again. This is a list of all the companies that have assets on SVB. And like I said, only 2.7 are insured. The rest are not. So unless the Fed comes in and bails out SVB, we could see more bank runs happening on Monday out there. So it looks like Voyager has liquidated 400 trillion SHIB on Coinbase and embattled lenders selling spree. So we're seeing that every week Voyager is dumping more Shiba Inu, dumping more Ethereum out there. So that is not a good look out there. So absolutely not a good look, not helping at all. So Justin, Federal Reserve is considering creating a fund to backstop deposits in more banks in case more banks fail. That would be good news out there. Like I said, the Fed is not going to allow it to happen. Guys, more weirdness is coming in 2025. Looks like Justin, Binance CEO, says it feels like there is a coordinated effort to shut down crypto-friendly banks, guys. So what do you guys think? I'd love to hear what your comments are. Do you think this is real? Do you think that there is, an effort to do that, to shut down crypto-friendly banks, or is this just FUD, guys? What do you guys think? I'd love to hear your comments out there. Comment up like a storm out there. What else is coming in right now? We are seeing that, even though we've had all this negativeness, we've all this negative stuff, it looks like Bitcoin retracement before takeoff. So, right now in 2016, we had a big, huge pullback, and 2023, we're having another big pullback. So, according to Trader Tardigram, this is just part of the game out there. And with this pullback, we could see a huge rise to the upside, guys. So, what do you guys think? What do you guys think out there? I think that it's going to be a very interesting year out there. I think it's going to be, stuff is going to happen that we have not expected, haven't seen in a very long time, guys. So smash the likes, show some love, and don't forget to share. Guys, interesting fact though is Bitcoin days spent in price range, number of days spent at 20K, just surpassed that of 40K. 10K bucket is the second longest with 431 days and 20K with 190 days. So you can see here that the number of days that we spent at 20K was about 190 days, 431 days at 10K out there. So very interesting out there. The 20K is the second longest period of time that people have been holding, guys. So guys, keep the faith. Keep absolute the faith. Darren, welcome, guys. Welcome. Hand Banana out there, guys. Like Hand Banana says, a fire sale. Absolutely a freaking fire sale out there, guys. Go and buy the dippy dips, guys. So very good news for the Shibarium out there. It looks like Shibarium early public beta is finally out there. So guys, the Shibarium public beta, it's out. When will we go live with the public release? We don't know yet, but there's been some people have been saying it could be around about April that we could finally see the Shibarium come out. So that's kind of interesting. Let's take a look at what's going on in terms of liquidations right now. We're seeing about 107.51 million worth of liquidations, which if you consider it's Sunday here in Vietnam, and having 107 million worth of liquidation is quite a lot right now. And we're seeing right now that we're seeing probably in the last 24 hours, in the last hour, we're seeing a lot of shorts. In the last 24 hours, we're seeing still long. So we could still see a long squeeze, and we could still see things going down, down. So far, March has just been a horrible month. We're down about 11.73%. But still, year to date, we're still up, guys. We're still absolutely up. We're up, over 25%. So that's not too shabby. I think April, hoping April, we will have a green month out there, guys. So also, guys, be part of the conversation. Don't miss a beat. Do not miss a trick out there, guys. Join our Discord. I would appreciate it. And if you got your crypto on a centralized exchange, I would get a hardware wallet, not financial advice. That's what I'm doing. That's what you could do out there, guys. If you don't own the keys, you don't own the crypto, guys. Just need to know. And guys, we do have our limited edition shirts that are going to be coming out soon. I'll keep an eye and let you know when that's happening. Also, what's going on for Dogecoin? Dogecoin to $1 is inevitable, guys. Absolutely inevitable. Dogecoin to the moon. SVF class, banks are tanking. The world is coming to an end, but Dogecoin will still be around, guys. I love it. Comment, guys. And it looks like I said, Dogecoin will be here forever and ever and ever. I'm loving the Doge. Guys, don't forget to follow me on my Twitter. Don't forget to do that. And guys, the other thing is we absolutely need Elon Musk to add Dogecoin payments to Twitter, Dogecoin tippy jar to Twitter. We need to see that coming, guys. Absolutely need to see that coming. So right now, for the price of Dogecoin, let me turn off the Predator indicator out there. The Predator indicator is off, and Dogecoin right now is sitting at 0.669. From my perspective, we have this downward channel line that is going down in this direction. This is resistance, this overhead resistance. And if we cannot get past that, then our next stop for Doge is going to be around about 6 cents. And if we cannot clear 6 cents, we will go down to 5 cents, guys. So from my perspective, I do think it is it's a good time to dollar cost average, buy the dips, and wait for life-changing wealth out there. I would appreciate it. So what is going on in terms of the tokenomics out there, in terms of Doge, guys? Let me give this a minty refresh. So we are seeing that Dogecoin is at 666. Whoa, scary number out there. And it's down 0.32%. We're seeing that the volumes are light as well, 382, and the market cap is down. News-wise, nothing really much out there for Dogecoin news-wise. Everybody's talking about USDC Depeg. Everybody's talking about SVP out there, guys. In terms of who's in the money, who's out of the money for Dogecoin, we are still seeing that there's more people in the money compared to those out of the money. 49% are in, 49% are out, so it's almost neutral out there, guys. So we have not seen that for a very long time. Let's take a look at Shiba Inu right now. So Shiba Inu, luckily, is at 10 out there. It's just at our 1000 support level out there. So we have recovered from our 999 situation yesterday. And I think that, we're probably just going to be going sideways. We'll have to wait and see. I think people are kind of taking a backseat and wanting to wait to see what happens when the Fed opens out there, guys. So interesting. Shiba Inu in terms of tokenomics right now. Shiba Inu right now is down 0.66%. We're seeing the volumes are very, very light. It's a Sunday, and the market cap is at 5.66 billion out there, guys. So that's what that's all about. So guys, now JME, thank you, brother. I appreciate it. Hit the likes, guys. So guys, now let's take some questions out there. This is a Q&A part. I think we've covered most of it. Bitcoin is still looking pretty good out there. So guys, Doge holders in the money. So we're seeing that most of the Doge holders are in the money. David just commented, Nano Ledger is great. I agree. I mean, I've moved almost 95 to 98% of my crypto onto a Nano Ledger, and I'm feeling very, very happy about that, because I'm feeling confident because I own the keys. So if centralized exchanges do tank, then we are going to be seeing that you're going to be fine. Because if you don't own the keys, you don't own the crypto, guys. Guys, we got the brilliant. Do you need the OG to kiss the alien or Dino out there, guys? Show me some love. JJAMNT, my friend, your friend. Time to DCA some more. Yeah, I mean, every Thursday I'm going to be DCAing, so I'm hoping that things continue to go down so I can pick some more crypto up out there, guys. I am absolutely hopeful that is going to be happening out there. So, guys and gals, Rusty Shacklefield says, who do we blame? The OG? No, we don't blame the OG. Remember, this ain't financial advice. You got to do your own research. Remember, crypto is volatile out there. And remember, if you're in loss now, all you have to do is wait. 2025 is coming. Remember, crypto has its cycles. It has its bulls. It has its bears. It has its accumulations. And then it has its bull run again. And remember, time and time again, what you have to do out there is your dollar cost average, wait for life-changing wealth, diversification, buy 50% in Bitcoin, 25% in Ethereum, 25% in the top caps. And remember, take profits, because a lot of newbies, what they do is they day trade, they don't take profits, and they wait too long. Okay, so remember, crypto is about time in the market. It's about time in the market, guys. Remember, you can't time the tops, you can't time the bottoms, but you can dollar cost average. Christopher Doge, thank you very much, 3.99. Guess it's time to kiss the alien. Mwah. Thank you for that for super chat. I appreciate it. And Aviation Chris is saying never leverage trade. Absolutely, never, ever leverage trade. Leverage trading is for only very experienced institutional traders who have years and years of knowledge and training about that. Looks like Dan Taufest says, when your Doji shirt's coming out. Dan, I'm still waiting. I'm still waiting for the printers. I'm still waiting for the people producing the shirts in America to get their act together and release these shirts. So I will have an update in the next video. I will give you a time frame out there. And once they become available, once the shirts become available, I will have a link out there. I like the shirts. They're pretty cool. The Dogecoin, the OG of cryptocurrency. Crypto to us. Thank you, OG. Love the kids. Doing only good every day. Thank you, brother. I appreciate it. And JME360, congratulations. You've been a member for 14 months. Love. Much love for JME. out there, guys. Much love. I appreciate it. I appreciate it. Thank you for all the support. I appreciate it. Any more questions out there? And guys, remember, Rusty, Annabelle going crazy. Yeah, Annabelle. I mean, Annabelle is. Rusty's saying, Rusty Shark for Annabelle's going crazy. Yeah, Annabelle loves it. I mean, she's just like waiting in the wings. I think the brilliant aliens got her tied up somewhere in the bedroom. But yeah, definitely. And it looks like Cryptos for Us OG is the Memphis. I appreciate it. Looks like Chris DeMarco, Jamie, start the campaign. Yeah, some people are saying OG for president. Yeah, why not? I'll do it. I mean, you know, that would be kind of cool and interesting out there. So, you know, so guys, any more questions out there? It's a great time to be live. Much love out there, guys. Smash the likes for OG out there. I appreciate it. Darren says, where do you think we'll be in August? From my perspective, I think that in August, I think that, you know, most of the cryptocurrencies will be pretty much where they are right now. You know, it really depends on the macroeconomic data. It depends on bank collapsing out there. If there's any more bank runs and stuff, I think we're just going to be like, you know, probably going sideways. Maybe we'll hit 25K for Bitcoin. Maybe, or not. Depends. It really depends on what's going to happen. If, you know, the macroeconomic data is coming in bad, and we have more bad news, bear stuff happening, we could see Bitcoin going down. And if Bitcoin goes down, that's going to take everybody down with it. So I'm hoping by August we can get back up to these levels here, back up to about 25K. I'm hoping, but I don't know. It's really hard to guess. Carlos Perez, have we hit rock bottom? I mean, from my perspective, Carlos, let me get this out of the way. I think this was the bottom. I really think that 15,590 was the bottom. This is my opinion. This is not financial advice. I just think that was a bottom. Okay, I really think that was a bottom out there. Some people are still calling for 10K out there. I'm still standing by the fact that I think that 15,500 is the bottom out there. You know, so Rusty's correct. You know, we are probably going to be doing the grabby walk for until August, guys. So I think, you know, we could be seeing ourselves range bound between 25K and maybe 19,000 until August. I think it could be just some sideways choppy chop. The crabby walk, the OG crabby walk out there, guys. That's what I'm thinking. Out there. I appreciate it. Guys, have you smashed the likes? Guys, who hasn't smashed the like? You're welcome, Carlos Perez. You're welcome. Hopefully, any more questions out there, guys? Remember, you know, TA, crypto, it's not a science. So for anyone to kind of, you know, 100% nail it, like it's going to move in this direction, it's going to move in that direction, it's a guessing game. And, you know, it's a combination of social sentiment, it's a combination of macroeconomic stuff, it's a combination of a whole bunch of things. Even global events can affect crypto. So it's really hard. To see what is going to be happening. You know, you can't make those predictions. It looks like Dogeball Q is 5-cent Dogecoin coming. Well, you know, from my perspective, I like this at my perspective. You know, broken tape recorder. Right now, Doge is sitting at 0.669 out there. 5 cents is right here. Let me just draw that line here. 5 cents is here. Horizontal line to 5 cents. Let's see how far away we are, a bit yellow. So right now, where we are right now to 5 cents, if we drop down to 5 cents, that is around about 25% decline. Could we go down to 5 cents? Possible, depending on if we get any more banking contagion out there. It's possible. It is absolutely possible out there. So, you know, right now, the 6 cent is a good support level. If the 6 cent support level breaks down, then our next support level is going to be 5 cents for Dogecoin. That's a fact. You know, we have this descending resistance line here, and we need to get past that. And that's on the daily. We need to get past it. If we can't pop up past that, then, you know, we're going to be pushed down, and then this could be the next area where we could break out. But that's what I'm thinking. What else we got there? Hannah, 333 for trolls. Dogecoin 111. I appreciate it, guys. I absolutely appreciate it. Yeah, there's lots of trolls out there. Telfin, Fu, OG, are you running hotels in Bangkok or Vietnam? Yeah, both, brother. Both, brother. I'm doing that. Actually, today's my day off. It's Sunday. Tomorrow, back to work on Sunday. You know, back to the grinding grind. Looks like G-Boy, Necker, BTC, 25K. I hope so. Dogeball, you're welcome, brother. Any more questions out there, guys? It's a great time. We've got 117 people in the stream. I love it. Dogecoin 111, Dogecoin 111, Dogecoin 111, and Alien 555, Dino 333. You know, and all of the people who are vitriolic in the streams. 333. I love it. I love the community, guys. Much love to all of you out there. Much love to everybody out there. It's a great time to be live. Any more questions out there, guys? If not, we're gonna come to the end of the stream, guys. Don't forget, you know, do become members, guys. If you want to become a member, you go to the Crypto Daily Trade Signal YouTube main page, hit membership, and then you can become a member. And if you want to contact us, official contact out there, you go to About. Okay, and this is the official email right here. That is the official email. Okay, also too, if you want to contact us, you can go to our Twitter, our official Twitter out there, our Twitter, and you can DM us. And I tend to answer stuff. You know, don't forget, I've got like 71,800 subscribers. So if I don't get to you, then I apologize for that. All right, guys. Looks like VCS Wizard, when the bull run coming? 2025 is the next bull run, because looks like VCS Wizard. You look, here's the next halving, guys. Let me give this a minty refresh. The minty refresh. So the next halving is in 383 days, March 29th. So you're going to see a slow accumulation up to that point. Nothing, you know, there's not going to be a big bounces. Slow accumulation. As the halving happens, once the halving happens, typically you get a little bit of a dip, and then after that you get the bull run. So, you know, we could be seeing that the bull run is probably going to be starting, you know, sometime late 2024, early 2025. And when it happens, it's going to be cool, guys. Algorand, do you have some? Yes, Rusty, I do have some Algorand. Let me run through what I'm holding right now. Here we go. Bitcoin, yes. About 50% of my portfolio is in Bitcoin right now, boys and girls. Ethereum, around about 25%. BNB, yes. XRP, Shannon, my Shannon, I haven't seen you in a long time, brother. Where have you been? It's been more than a minute, brother. Wow, Shannon is back. So, like I said, I'm holding Ethereum about 25%, 50% Bitcoin, some BNB, XRP, a little bit of XRP. I picked some up because of the XRP court case. I think that they might be winning out there, so I picked up a little bit. Cardano, yes. Cardano is probably my third or fourth biggest holding. Matic, yes, I like Matic. A ton of Doge, about 4 million Doge. Look, go Doge, Doge. Solana, I sold most of my Solana at the top, so I'm not holding anymore. I'm looking to the right because that's where the comments are. Polkadot, yes, I'm holding Polkadot. Shiba Inu, I personally am not holding any, but my wife is. Okay, you guys know all the story, I think a year and a half ago, she bought some without telling me, and she made some money, she's holding. So we do, as a family, we do own Shiba Inu out there. Litecoin, no. Avalanche, yes. Chainlink, yes. Cosmos, yes. What do we got? Filecoin, yes, we're holding some Filecoin out there. HBAR, no. Kronos, we're holding Kronos. That's the crypto.com exchange token. VeChain, a lot. Internet computer, yes, holding that. Algorand, definitely holding that. What else we got? Decentraland, yes. Phantom, yes. If you guys remember Dragon, woohoo! Where's Dragon? He put us all onto that. What else we got out there? Stacks, no. Sandbox, yes. No. Lucky I sold Terra Luna just like a day before the crash, so that was lucky on that one. What else we got? Pancake Swap, yep. That's about it. That's all we're holding here. That is all we're holding, nothing else. So the lowest I go is coin 67. So the lowest on the coin market cap is 67. I don't hold anything lower than 67. So I stopped at the 67 coin, guys. So it looks like Shannon, OG spreading love. I appreciate it. Wow, Shane, Phantom. We love the Phantom, guys. We love the Phantom. So that's what I'm kind of holding out there. So hopefully that was educational. But, you know, diversification is key. I mean, from that perspective, do not put all of your crypto, do not put all your money in one crypto, because if that crypto tanks, you're done. So, you know, and you definitely want to have Bitcoin. Bitcoin is so important to have because, you know, crypto is less volatile. I mean, Bitcoin is less volatile, and it's a good hedge against inflation out there. So, you know, it's good to have a good amount of Bitcoin, and that will help you fight off volatility out there, guys. So, Lenny Mac, Shiba Inu, yeah, brother. Hey, Lenny Mac, much love out there. Jamie36, what's good, Shannon? Yep. Any more comments out there? Any more comments, guys? Don't forget to go back and watch all the other videos out there. And if you're watching for the first time, don't forget to subscribe. YB. I would appreciate it. I would appreciate it, guys. Go back and watch our latest video, Elon Musk buying Silicon Valley. He did say that this was a good idea, that he would think about it. So hopefully he would. Could you imagine that if Elon Musk bought SVB Bank out there and connected that to Twitter? That would make Twitter one of the biggest payment platforms on planet Earth out there. And if they integrated Doge, it would be amazing. Absolutely amazing out there, guys. So guys, if there's no more out there, I'm going to say that's the end of this video. I'll see you guys on the next one, guys. So all I want to say is be blessed, be well. You know, you do you out there. And, you know, God bless everybody out there. God bless you all out there. I'll see you in the next one, guys. Absolutely, I'll see you in the next one. Be well, be blessed. Peace out.